Hello everyone! Today we're going to make kimchi fried rice. Let me first introduce the ingredients we will need. We will need warm fermented kimchi, cooked rice, and any protein of your choice. Today I'm using pork belly, but any fatty protein like spam or bacon works well. We will also need sugar, gochujang, soy sauce, and oil. The following ingredients are optional: green onion, sesame seeds, butter, or you can use sesame oil instead, egg, and cheese. Before we get cooking, let's get everything ready. First, grab some scissors and cut your kimchi into pieces, however big or small you like. When I decided to film this cooking video, I spent a lot of time thinking about what to make. I wanted to share a dish that feels special to me, something I've made so many times. Now, chop up an onion into little pieces, perfect for fried rice. This kimchi fried rice is my go-to meal. It's super quick, really easy, and honestly, it's one of those dishes I never get tired of. Alright, let's start cooking. Heat up a pan and throw in some pork belly. This dish is extra special to me because of a trip I took to LA. I stayed at the guest house there, and the owner made the most amazing kimchi fried rice for breakfast. Of course, I had to ask for the recipe. If your pork grill is in oil, great. If not, no worries, just add a bit more oil. Then toss in chopped green onion and stir fry them together. I couldn't get the taste out of my mind after coming home, so I started making it all the time. This recipe is exactly the same as the one I learned from the guest house owner. Now add your chopped kimchi and a bit of sugar. The sugar helps balance the sourness of a kimchi, so feel free to adjust it to your liking. Next, it's time for the third ingredient, gochujang and soy sauce. These are what make this kimchi fried rice so flavorful. Adding gochujang is actually a special tip I learned during that trip. Let's mix in the rice now. Stir fry everything together until it's well combined. Every time I make this dish, I can't help but think of my time in LA. Isn't it amazing how food can bring back memories? You can eat it straight from the pan, but today I'm going for nice presentation. Here's what I will do. I will take a small bowl, like an instant rice container, fill it halfway with fried rice, sprinkle in some cheese, and then add more rice on top. Press it down firmly. Now, when you flip the container onto a plate, you will have a cute little dome of rice. I almost forgot, let's add some butter. It's best to do this at the very end so it melts perfectly with heat. Top it all up with the fried egg and sprinkle of sesame seed. And there you have it, my special kimchi fried rice. I really hope you give this recipe a try and maybe even create your own special memories with it. Thanks for cooking with me today. Bye!